I'm just on my lunch right now at work. There's just a lot nicer roads out here than by my house. So I wanted to get a little test run in because I was practicing last night. Let's see if I can get a one-hander. They're not that good, but I'm getting some progression. I really wanted just to get my wheelies good and smooth before I tried to throw any screwballs into the mix. Let's go for another one-hander. One-handers are actually pretty easy. I thought they were way sketchier. I was just too wild with the my throttle hand before. I don't want to say I got them down. I got to get way smoother with them first, but I got them.
Is that brake lever like that, or did it bend on you?
No, I crashed it.
Oh, did you?
And I bent it, yeah. No, it's not supposed to be like that. It's like a banana.
Yeah.
Gotta go back to work now. Played around on my lunchtime. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Last video you saw me put on the new chain, sprockets, front and rear, and the chain tensioner. Today I will be installing this modded oil pump. It's from Straight Up Pumps. We're gonna be putting that in so I'm not starving my motor anymore. This aftermarket pump makes it so that when you're up in the air like that, the bottom of the tube is still picking up oil and you're not starving your motor of oil, still circulating. So that is a definite necessity if you plan on doing long wheelies. So we're gonna get this clutch cover off and get it put on. We are gonna start by draining the oil. So we're gonna remove the drain plug. It's a 17 millimeter. And we're gonna let all the oil drain out. So once that's removed, just let all the oil drain out until it's completely empty. Before I take the clutch cover off, I'm gonna remove the rear set. So we got 3 nuts that we gotta take off. This is a 19 millimeter. This is a 12. And then this is a 12 as well. This is just mounting my exhaust to my rear set. So we're gonna take those off. As you can see, we have the exhaust pulled off to the side to make some more room. I have the rear set slid back. And now we are gonna take these 8 millimeter bolts out, holding the clutch cover on. There's 10 8 millimeter bolts going all around. So now you take those off and then remove the clutch cover. After you have all the 8 millimeter bolts removed from around the clutch cover, you're gonna take your clutch cable off and then remove the case. You just push it forward a little bit and pop it out from the back. Like that. And that will come off. And now we remove the case. If you're careful, you won't have to put a new gasket on, but I highly recommend having a new gasket just in case you rip the old one. I'm pretty annoyed right now. That is the pump that I purchased that I was gonna put in. So as you saw, I took the clutch cover off, and what do I see? The oil pump. There's the previous owner already put a Straight Up Pumps modded oil pump in the bike. So this tutorial is finished. I can't believe that I never looked at it when I was doing oil changes. I never looked at the pump in depth. I don't know why. I just blindly ordered the part and assumed it was stock, but you know what they say when you assume. So I'm gonna go ahead, do an oil change. This tutorial is ruined. I'm gonna put my clutch cover back on, put everything back together, and then I'm gonna go do some wheelies. So I will see you in a minute. I just cannot believe that there was already a modded oil pump in the Grom. Like, what a waste of time. All right, let's see how flat this lot is. All right, this is my, I'll back up. This is my good friend Johnny. He's about to do a one-handed cartwheel for us. Whoa! Johnny, I did not think you had it in you. That was awesome. Holy shit, I've never seen something like that in person. That was, oh yeah, tip of the hat. Hell yeah.
Did I do good?
Yeah, you did.